What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. An update on Bitcoin. There's quite a lot we need to talk about. Obviously the last 2 days have been very volatile and a lot has happened. Yesterday I also did a little bit of an emergency update after that Coinbase was sued. Back then we were still trying to break above 26,200. I had not expected that we would get all the way up to our previous top right here at around 27,200 and 27,400. But that is what we did, and right now, I mean, we're back at the levels we were at about a week ago as well. So weird markets, but I'll tell you what I think of them. I'll tell you what I expect in terms of price movements and just in general what's going on. I'll try to give you a full update. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description, down in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Bitcoin. So one of the only reasons for why a move like this could happen, in my eyes, is a bit of manipulation. First of all, there were talks about that the interest rate perhaps would be paused next month, and that they would continue to hike them in July. So that's obviously bullish, but we did not really see any reaction from the dollar strength index. Dollar strength index has been consolidating. Perhaps it's also a little bit bullish that this uptrend of the dollar strength index has slowed down. You could argue, but I very much doubt that has any effect. But those are the kind of things we need to think about if the market is behaving like this. And apart from that, I mean, Coinbase and Binance being sued is obviously very bad news, I would argue, because it brings them into all sorts of trouble in this bear market. But apart from that, I mean, the lawsuits will probably take a very long time, and they probably will not be in any difficulties soon. I mean, Binance US is a different story because they were, I mean, right now there's actually something going on that they want to have a restraining order to freeze Binance US assets. That's a bit of a problem, but I believe that Binance and Binance US are separated enough to not make it a big problem for Binance. And Binance having a big problem would obviously be a very big problem. Binance US having a big problem, not so much, I think. But all right, so Bitcoin right now, with all of that going on, let's actually take a look at the technicals. Technically, which is actually pretty funny, we're just back in that same old consolidation we've been in for the last couple of weeks, mostly for the last couple of weeks. And that's this consolidation area between 26,600 and 27,400. So I'm going to make it very easy for you. It's just we're going to have to wait until one of these levels breaks. All right, until then, I'm probably not touching Bitcoin. Perhaps I'm not even touching other cryptos to trade. Because the market circumstances are just so unstable and unpredictable that it's sometimes the best trade is to not make one at all. But we're waiting for this. We're waiting for this level to break. So either a bearish breakout below 26,600, and then we'll continue down to 26,000, and probably also, did I say 2,600? I mean, I'm not sure, but 26,000, and then we'll also probably drop down to 25,000. So that's one scenario. And the other scenario is we break above 27,400 for whatever reason, and we continue going up to these levels around 28,400 and 28,600. I mean, both are possible, especially if it's true that the interest rates will be kept the same this month, because that perhaps is a little bit of an indication that the what is it called again? The Federal Reserve will that they expect that the inflation rate perhaps also will drop down, and that they're waiting for that, and that could be bullish for the long term as well. But right now, with everything that's going on, to be fair with you, I think it's more likely that we'll at least get that drop to 26,000 and 25,800, and so that will break down below 26,600. Because I refuse to believe that the price of Bitcoin will just stay the same when we got these huge lawsuits going on right now. But alright, that's my take on it. If you do have any questions, then let me know. I'll be back, of course, every single day with an update. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.